Alright, so when you are inside Prota, then click new project. Here you have to choose your country code on. So let's choose this country. Then you type the project code. Let's say A. Then you press OK. Okay, so here now we are now inside the new page on this is the drawing we are going to use to come out with the structure drawing. So by now, at this stage you should have gone through your architecture plan, then you have understand it well. You can draw the grid lines one after the other, like I'm doing here, or you auto generate the whole grid lines. The individual grid lines works. Okay, so this is how you can just simply do it, very quick and faster. You can move, then you can also offset by just right clicking, then you either move or you offset. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, so now let's go to the how to generate the whole axis. So when you click on the orthogonal axis generator, this is the properties window will open. Alright, so let's see how it is. So when you just click OK, this is how it arranges. This is how it arranges automatically. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to do it. So we have axis direction 1, then we have direction 2 axis. Okay, direction 2 axis we have 1, 2, 3, then the direction 2 axis 1 we have ABCs. Then we have the spacing, the axis spacing. Okay, as you can see, as it is here. Alright, when you come to the AutoCAD, you see that we have 1, 2, 3 at the top here. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we have ABCs vertically arranged. Okay. Alright, so this is the spacing, the axis, the grid line spaces. Okay. Also for the numbers, this is how we have it. Okay, so let's go back to Prota, and now here we have to type in the grid line spacings. You have to type in here. Alright, so we start with the direction 2 axis. So you type the first one 750, then you separate it with comma 750 comma, then you type in the remaining spaces. Okay, okay, so when you are done, then you go to the direction 1 axis. Okay, that's the ABCs. Alright, so you type in 600 comma, then you type the remaining ones. Okay, so when you finish, then we have the axis extension length, which is automatically 2 meters. So let's change it to 3 meters. Let's change both sides. Okay, then you click OK. So this is how it comes automatically. Our grid lines has been generated very nicely, and their spacings and the numbering has been done, as you can see. So you can go through to cross check the spacing. If you are not satisfied with it, then you can go and do some editing. Alright, okay, so this is okay. So after that is okay, you come to the axis, you right click, then you click on axis table. Alright, so from the axis table you can now do further editing of the lettering. Okay, so this you can, if you look at the ABCs, they are in capital letters, but ours from the AutoCAD is lower letters. Okay, so you change them accordingly from this pattern. All right. Okay, so when you are done, then you go and close it. Then you come and cross check to make sure say everything is exactly how you want it. And mind you, all what you are doing here, the axis, the grid lines has to be the same as the architectural drawing so that there wouldn't be any confusion at the side. All right.